Hello everybody, this is Z GRILL, a new kind of grill. This wood pellet grill will lead revolution of barbecue. This avant-garde logo created by well-known American designer. After party, users just need to replace with disposable paper cup. It is convenient to clean. Grilling area of Z GRILLS is 456 square inches with 327 square inches of grill net and 129 square inches of warming rack. Its grilling area is very practical. An electronic temperature controller can show temperature in real time with intellectual control. Z GRILLS makes up for the drawbacks of the traditional grills, adopting food-grade material of animal baking net, comprehensively safe and secure. It has renovated the barbecue method, making smoky and indirect barbecue closer to nature. Z GRILLS will become pioneer in all kinds of grills. Open flame in the grill does not directly contact with food, greatly reducing the generation of harmful substances. Z GRILLS, simple and convenient to operate, highly intelligent. Separating people from the machine, more safety and secure. Fully automatically works, automatic air feeding, ignition heating, temperature control, to realize intelligence, smoke and barbecue. And the user can choose their favorite flavors of wood pellet fuel. Smoked and grilled food will smell fruit trees, resulting in a more pure taste. Z GRILLS home grill was developed after 3 years of research, as well as thousands of repeated testing and user experiences. It caters to the new consumption concept: elegant, comfort, healthy, delicious. Z GRILLS, favored by consumers because we are providing high-end quality, excellence and benefits to you.